Boggs, are you running on the treadmill?
Are you running, Katie?
Oh my gosh.
Katie, you're doing so good! Woo!
Hi, Boggs.
Mom's right there. Ready? Here's the fun part.
Oh. Katie, do you want me to put you more bubbles out so you can play with your bubbles?
Okay.
Katie, do you like bubbles?
Yeah.
Do you like cupcakes?
Yeah. Mama.
You want more bubbles?
Okay.
Katie. Whee! Katie, what are we riding? Bugs, what are we on? Are we on the go-go? Can you say go-go?
Oh.
Say it one more time. Katie, are you having fun with packing peanuts?
Okay.
Is that a bunny in your hand? Can you say bunny?
Bye.
Yeah, you can.
Da.
Daddy's at work. They're all over your booty.
Oh, but get all the way up.
Okay, Katie, can you go over here
again, honey.
and do a seat and then stand up. Yeah!
Yay, do again.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Good job! You are so cute. Almost, Bugs. Okay, do a seat again. And stand up. Good job, Katie! Nice work.